Money is quietly shifting, and those using AI are winning fast. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Shopify AI are powering real side hustles today. From faceless content channels to automated stores, income streams are scaling daily. The opportunity isn't coming, it's already here, and early movers are taking the biggest advantage. Nobody knows their face, yet the brand prints money daily. Using ChatGPT for scripts, Midjourney for visuals, and CapCut for edits, faceless content scales fast. Consistency builds trust, automation saves time, and smart positioning turns anonymous pages into powerful income machines online. Traditional dropshipping is fading, but AI is taking over fast. Using ChatGPT to create content, Midjourney for products, and Shopify to sell, digital businesses scale instantly. No inventory, no shipping delays, just automation, speed, and higher margins driving a new wave of online entrepreneurs. What looks like simple posts is quietly generating real income. Beginners are using ChatGPT for scripts, CapCut for edits, and Canva for visuals. Consistent AI content builds audiences fast, and those views turn into monetized traffic, brand deals, and scalable digital income streams online. Starting a business used to take months, now it can happen in minutes. With ChatGPT, ideas turn into products, marketing plans, and content instantly. Pair it with Shopify, and you've got a running store. The barrier isn't knowledge anymore, it's execution, and speed now decides who wins. People are quietly earning every single day using AI, and most never notice. With ChatGPT creating scripts and CapCut turning them into short videos, faceless content channels generate daily income. Consistency drives views. Views bring payouts. And the system keeps running once momentum builds. Freelancing just got an upgrade, and AI is leading the surge. Using ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, and Fiverr to sell services, beginners are landing clients fast. Speed, lower costs, and high demand are turning AI freelancers into serious earners. Attention is the new currency, and this combo prints it fast. Using ChatGPT for scripts, CapCut for editing, and TikTok for distribution, creators scale views quickly. Viral reach turns into monetization, making this one of the fastest-growing AI income strategies right now. Income doesn't stop when you do. That's the power of automation. Using ChatGPT to generate content, Zapier to connect systems, and Shopify to handle sales, AI keeps everything running. While you sleep, content publishes, customers buy, and systems scale without constant effort. Wealth is being built faster than ever, and AI is behind it. Using ChatGPT to generate ideas, Midjourney for assets, and Shopify to sell, creators launch scalable digital businesses. Leverage, automation, and speed are turning small starts into massive income streams online.